Welcome to English for Newbie. Let's begin together.
We're excited to learn with you.
It's going to be so much fun. Yeah, let's start now.
Good morning, Vanessa. Wake up, dear. Good morning, Mom. Come on, it's a new day.
I feel a little nervous today.
Why, my dear?
We have English class and I have to speak.
Don't worry. You will do well.
But I have no idea how I will deal with all.
You can.
Good morning, sister.
Good morning, everyone.
Come, sit and eat breakfast.
I made your favorite food. Thank you, Mom.
Vanessa, today is important.
Yes, Dad, I know.
Just try your best.
I will. I try.
Sister, you are smart.
Thank you, Eli.
Don't be afraid.
I will try not to be afraid. Finish your breakfast.
Yes, Mom.
Bye, dear.
Have a great day.
Torutai.
Bye, sister. Bye, everyone.
Okay, I can do this.
Vanessa, look, I saved a chair for you.
Emma, you did?
Of course you are my best friend.
Thank you so much. Are you ready for class? Not really. Don't worry, I am with you. That makes me feel better. We will learn together. Yes, together. Good morning, students.
Good morning, teacher.
Let's begin today's lesson. Emma, can you answer this question?
Yes, teacher. The answer is simple. We use this because it shows reason.
Very good, Emma. Sophia, can you try?
Yes, teacher. The answer is this because it explains clearly. We also use it in daily conversation.
Excellent, Sophia.
I can't wait to show my parents. They'll be very proud.
Wow, she speaks so well. Yes, she is very good. I want to speak like her.
Me too.
Yes, she is very good. You can come if you want. No, it's okay. Maybe I am not good enough. Maybe my English is weak.
Vanessa, can you answer this?
I think the answer is
She cannot speak.
she is too slow. Sorry, teacher.
It's okay, Vanessa. Try again next time.
You are really good. Thank you. Emma, can we sit together? Vanessa, I want to sit with Sophia. But we are best friends. Sophia speaks better English. I want to learn from her. I lost my friend because I cannot speak English.
Vanessa, you are home. Why are you so quiet?
Mom, I feel very sad.
What happened?
Emma left me. She said I am not good in English. Oh dear.
Listen to me. You are not weak. You just need practice.
But I feel scared.
Fear is normal. Do you want to improve?
Yes, I want to improve.
Then we will practice together.
Oh, okay, Mom.
Repeat after me. I can speak English.
I can speak English. I am learning every day. I am learning every day.
Mistakes are okay.
Mistakes are okay. Exactly. You're doing great.
I'm getting more confident.
That's the spirit. Keep going.
Speak slowly. Speak slowly. That's it. Speak slowly.
Speak slowly. Perfect. You're doing great. Speak slowly.
Very good.
Thank you, Mom.
Good morning, class. Good morning, teacher. And you are.
Vanessa, can you answer today?
Yes, teacher. I think the answer is this, because it explains the idea clearly.
Excellent, Vanessa. Very good improvement.
Wow, she did it. Vanessa, I made a mistake. You are my best friend. Can we be friends again?
You are always my friend. Nothing has changed.
Thank you, Vanessa. Thank you. Vanessa, you speak very well. Let's sit together again. I am still learning. I was not weak in English. I was just afraid to try. Confidence is more important than perfect English. That was fun today. Yes, I really enjoyed class. We should do this more often.